Enactment of the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill is a great milestone we achieve in the country and long awaited milestone. When we all are using digital as a mean, especially businesses and economic sectors and even to a large extent government as well, the guaranteeing and assuring the privacy right to the citizens and residents of the country is very critical for the key foundations of digitization. Data is collected and processed for most of the organization, including the government and private sector organization. Ensuring the responsibility and accountability is very important. The obligations and liabilities which are brought by the DPDP Act would make sure that these organizations are responsible and accountable towards the rights of the individual. At this point of time, the law is more like a principle-based law, which would government also bring together a lot of rules under this law. And it has to be principle-based law because of the kind of complexity and innovation and dynamic changes that we see in terms of digitization. But these rules and the principles will really make this particular regime more stringent and more comprehensive in nature. This will certainly demand the revitalization of the processes. It will certainly ask organizations to commit more for privacy and security. It will make your security, it will ask you to make your security more data-centric. It will also demand a lot of research and innovation intervention, and it will also demand a lot of professional skills because of the very complex nature of the way the data is collected and issues has to be managed. There are some areas like how this law empowers the end user or end citizens basically with the instruments and tools. For example, another area is the horizontal application of this law on the government organization and in a kind of efficacy of a data protection board in terms of enforcing this law. We hope or we are sure that the rule making process will probably throw more light and bring more clarity in these particular places. Data Security Council of India had been working on the data privacy for last 10 years of time. Would look forward to work with its member, with the security and privacy community, with the digital product ecosystem, with the government and policy makers, with the industry sectors, and more importantly, innovators, startups and researchers to make this regime, data protection regime more trustworthy for end citizens, which would help us to really achieve a lot of the goals of digitization in the coming future. Thank you.